difference between earning 6 figures on TikTok in a single month and struggling to break a couple hundred views often comes down to one thing: choosing the right niche. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 TikTok niches that are not only beginner-friendly, but can also rake in thousands of dollars. Stick around because I'll also reveal the most underrated niche for 2025. One that's already blowing up, but time's running out to jump on it. Let's dive right in. Starting with joining the Creator Rewards program. This is how you'll turn your faceless TikToks into serious money. And while living in certain countries like the US is required to join the TikTok Creator Rewards program, there's a secret trick you can do to get around this. Just use the link in the description and go to this website, order a US TikTok account, and post your videos there. This will allow you to join the TikTok Gold Rush from anywhere in the world. If you want to make money immediately, you can get one of their fully monetized accounts. You can start earning on day one with these, instead of having to wait until you reach 10,000 followers. Now let's talk niches. Niche number 1, the radio show twist. If you've been on TikTok for any amount of time, you know that brain-rotting, endlessly entertaining content gets crazy engagement. But here's the catch: oversaturation. You need a fresh angle. Enter the radio show niche. Clips from hilarious prank calls, wild dating advice, or quirky radio segments, paired with gameplay like Subway Surfers or Minecraft running in the background. Works perfect on TikTok. For example, there's a page posting this kind of content, and one of their 7-minute-long videos hit 2 million views in under 24 hours, which is just crazy. Longer videos like this also boost engagement time, which translates to higher RPMs and more revenue. Here's how to start. Search YouTube for radio stations' best bits, and once you've found some good clips, combine these clips with some brain-rot gameplay footage like Subway Surfers and add captions, then you're done. With less competition in this niche, it's an untapped gold mine ready for you to explore. Niche number 2, funny history. History is fascinating, but it can feel stale, unless you add a sprinkle of humor. That's exactly what some creators are doing, and the results are jaw-dropping. By pairing quirky historical facts with funny animal clips or hilarious animations, they're reviving the history niche in a way that keeps audiences entertained while also informed. One account pulled in 24 million views in a single month by turning dry facts into laugh-out-loud moments. The best-performing videos highlight little-known historical facts or bizarre truths that people can't help but enjoy. Here's how you can do it. Use ChatGPT or similar tools to generate lists of obscure, fun facts. Focus on US-based topics like state-specific trivia to attract a US audience, which will bring a higher RPM. Pair these facts with funny, relatable visuals, like animals, cartoons, or simple animations. You can find these easily on YouTube. Then you can use a website like Ideogram AI to generate relevant background images. Once you've nailed your format, consistency is key. Post regularly and watch your views soar. Niche number 3, guess the celebrity. People love games. They're interactive, engaging, and perfect for TikToks. The Guess the Celebrity niche is already going viral, and there's still tons of space for newcomers. Here's how it works. Show snippets of celebrity features, like lips, eyes, or even silhouettes, and challenge viewers to guess who it is. One account doing this went viral within weeks, and they're still crushing it. Want to stand out? Use AI tools like 11 Labs to create custom voiceovers, giving your videos a polished feel. Then, get gameplay footage to use as your background. For inspiration, look at quiz channels on YouTube and adapt ideas that haven't hit TikTok yet, like Guess the Song or Guess the Meme. This niche is simple, effective, and highly engaging. Everything TikTok loves. Niche number 4, AI covers with marble racing. This niche is exploding. AI-generated song covers paired with marble racing have become an unexpected hit. Imagine your favorite classic songs sung by characters like SpongeBob or Shrek, set to an adrenaline-pumping marble race. It's bizarre, but it works. And it works well. One creator pulled in 100 million views in their first month using this format. The key is picking the right songs. Focus on universally loved classics, think early 2000s or 2010 hits, and test out different AI voices to find the perfect match. You can use platforms like Jammable for AI voice selection. Next, use the app's simple marble race to record races. The trick is to ensure the lead changes frequently. This keeps viewers hooked. Edit it all together so the marble in first place sings the song at any given moment. Add some creativity with transitions and character interactions, and you're good to go. The best part? Once you've mastered this format, you can expand with multiple characters per video to keep your audience coming back for more. These niches aren't just about making content. They're about crafting experiences that TikTok users can't scroll past. From radio show clips to AI covers with marble racing, the opportunities to go viral and get paid are endless. And we're just getting started. Niche number 5, AI conversations. If you're looking for a niche that's both hilarious and unique, AI conversations might be your perfect fit. The concept is simple. Create absurd or funny dialogues between popular figures like politicians, celebrities, or even fictional characters. Imagine Joe Biden and Donald Trump debating over the best pizza topping. It's pure gold. Why does this work? It combines familiarity with novelty. People instantly recognize the characters, but the absurd scenarios keep them laughing and sharing. One YouTube channel in this niche pulled in over 100 million views a month before going inactive, leaving a massive gap for TikTok creators to fill. Here's how to start. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm silly debate topics or conversation prompts. The more absurd, the better. Head to platforms like TriParrot AI to generate realistic voiceovers for your chosen characters. Pair the dialogue with a visually engaging background, like gameplay footage, meme-like visuals, or animated scenes. This can all be edited on CapCut, making the process seamless. Keep your videos short and punchy, and let the humor do the heavy lifting. This niche isn't just funny. It's virtually untapped on TikTok, meaning you can establish yourself early and dominate the space. Niche number 6, Reddit images. Reddit-based TikTok content is nothing new, but there's a twist that's gaining serious traction. Reddit images instead of stories. It's incredibly simple, yet highly engaging. Rather than sharing text-based Reddit tales, this niche focuses on captivating and thought-provoking visuals pulled straight from image-based subreddits. Take this example. A creator posted daily videos featuring images of things being worn down, or unusual inventions, and racked up 20 million views in a single month on TikTok. Even better, they reposted the same videos as YouTube Shorts and hit 143 million views that month. That's double dipping your content and massively increasing your earning potential. Here's how to start. Choose a theme for your videos. This could be anything from weirdly satisfying images to strange historical artifacts. Explore subreddits like r/mildly interesting or r/interesting as heck. Sort by top posts of the month or year to find the most compelling visuals. Download the images and write a short, snappy script to accompany them. The captions or titles of the posts often work perfectly for this. For voiceovers, use 11 Labs to create clear and engaging narration. Pair the visuals with gameplay. Edit everything together in CapCut, using styles similar to your competitors, but with your own unique flair. If you want to create my favorite unsaturated niche, I recommend watching this video. And if you made it this far, make sure to subscribe for more money-making content, and I'll see you in the next one.